Okay, here are, in my opinion as a professional voiceover, the 10 best sites for finding voiceover or voice acting work. It's a question we're often asked at VoiceOver Masterclass, and I'll briefly list them all here. You can get much more detail at voiceovermasterclass.com, or you can even dive into all our complete courses included as part of a subscription at our Patreon channel. So anyway, here we go then. The first 5 you need to subscribe for. The last 5 are free ones. Now, don't balk at subscribing. If you want to make money as a voiceover and make it your full-time career, as well as initially paying for your studio gear, you'll need to pay some subscriptions for services like some pay-to-play voice sites or things like Adobe Audition, WeTransfer, Dropbox. But, we in the voiceover business are very lucky. There aren't that many outgoings, to be honest. How many microphones do you need to buy in your life, for goodness sake? So what you get in is generally what you keep. Okay, let's kick off with Voices.com. This is based in Canada. It covers North American accents as well as European ones. It has a wide range of jobs available, from game work to corporate videos. Has an escrow system, so you don't have the hassle of invoicing people. Number 2, I'd say the voice realm. There's an American and a British version of this website, and again has an escrow system. With Voice Realm, you don't even have to bid because they have a good professional price list for the type of work that you're asked to do. There are auditions you can record. Also, you can click the In Studio button so people who find your profile on their site know that you are available right now. One thing to watch out, you mustn't give your full name or you'll be thrown out. Number 3, it has to be Voice123. It has an awful lot of jobs every day. Most of them North American accent jobs, to be honest, but a decent amount of British accent ones are posted here as well. So it's worth us Brits subscribing. The site doesn't have an escrow system. It simply puts you in touch with the client direct. After that, you're on your own. So it's a bit of a pain you have to invoice, but you do get the full contact details of the client to make more money from them directly afterwards without having to go through auditioning. My number 4 choice, Alko. This is based in Germany. There are mostly industrial film producers in Germany, in Austria and Switzerland who need to make their German language productions in English. Now, here they may ask for a British accent, or more likely what they call a neutral accent, which is really a light North American or mid-Atlantic accent. No escrow. Again, you get the advantage of creating a relationship with the client direct once you get the job. A nice variety of different types of jobs and some really big value ones as well. The 5th paid site would be Voplanet. This was a really big site in the first part of the century. It declined and went bust, I think, or closed. But it's got a new owner now, and it's really on the up and up. Some excellent high-value network jobs to audition for on Voplanet. And what about the free sites then? Well, we have to start with Fiverr. Fiverr is essential for all voiceovers to enroll on. In the early days, you really had to produce a voiceover for only $5, but the system is now such you can add on all sorts of extras that people will always want. So an average job will be more like $100, $150. You can make a fortune on Fiverr if you play the game right. Voice Bunny is free to enroll. It's a rather strange voice site. They have what's called speedies. They send an email out to everybody. The first 3 people who reply get the work, which is a bit weird. It may not be the best people, but anyway. They don't have very big jobs on there, but with regular work, it all adds up. Voiyor.com, is worth enrolling on. It's based in Spain, accepts North American, African and European and Australian accents. If you're lucky, you could get quite a few regular jobs from Voiyor. Like most of the free sites, you simply create your profile, upload your best show reels, and hope for the best. And the last of my favourite free sites has to be Voice Crew, based in the USA. Again, not very big jobs like some of the others, but they do have an awful big database of clients who return to them again and again. And with this kind of thing, the little jobs add up over the month. Now, look, I've just whizzed through these top 10 voice sites. There are many more details available on the courses we run at VoiceOver Masterclass with other sites we mention as well. So please join us on that site or dive straight into one of our courses for free by subscribing to our Patreon channel. All the best and thanks for watching.